Hello everybody. Hope you had a wonderful and blessed day. Hopefully you did well in the market today. Today was a little bit choppy, and we're going to talk about that, why that happened in this video. So you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it so others can also find this information useful. Let's go ahead and start with SPY. So SPY, we nailed it right on the dot. From this bounce all the way to up here, we talked about we had a doji yesterday, and we're gonna play the break of that doji, okay? Because we closed on a green bar, green volume bar with a doji indecision candle here, and we always talk about, how do we play the dojis? We play the break, the top of the bottom. Usually the dojis using Heikin-Ashi candles. That's why I, remind you every video for the new viewers. That are looking just at standard candles. Here might look a little bit different, but I use a Heikin-Ashi for this reason. Okay, I like to look for Doji reversals on the market, on the daily or any time frame. Really, you can find this incredible Doji candles. So we talked about yesterday, we had a Doji, and we closed with a green volume bar, and I told you more likely we're gonna have some upside. Okay. And this is what we did today. All right, so we talked about hitting this. This would be our first target, 473. If you don't believe me, you can go back to the previous video where we put this. Of course, I put it over here because of course the market doesn't move straight up. It's gonna, trend. But if we just move it here, it's the same target. We hit the 473 today, and then that acted as resistance. And I'm gonna tell you why we saw resistance there, as well as why the VIX bounced. If we go to the VIX 1 hour here, you're gonna see that we also hit the VIX. We hit our target up here, and you see this trend line coming down. Let me see if I can open it more. I don't know why. Well, it won't let me go more. It's freaking out. Anyway, you see this trend line right here coming down. We came and hit it today, and then we bounced off of it. And we bounced off of it right here. See that? And we bounced off of it, and we came to that 1857. So as soon as we hit here, we started trending up, and the market, the SPY started coming down. And so that's why it's important to know your levels on the market. And so we had, if we go to the 10-minute here, you'll see what is going on with my charts. There you go. If you see the 10-minute here, you're gonna see in the morning we opened, okay, we hit target there at 473. You can go to a previous video and see that we put this target. Of course, we have put it on this side, but it was still the same target, 473. We hit it, and we came back to test this level of support. And then we kind of bounced off and traded sideways. And so that's where we're at. It was kind of choppy today. I was hoping the SPY would break that bottom support, and we would have more upside in the market. But everything, when the VIX started reversing there, everything started coming down and following the SPY. Okay, so that was that. Also, if we go to the 1 hour, see what it's looking like. Okay, it looks like we might come and test this 468 area here on the SPY. We go to the daily. On the SPY, we closed on a flat bottom, which usually signifies momentum still continuing to the top. The only thing, we did close on red volume. So I would say tomorrow it's gonna be choppy, where we're probably gonna create an inside bar. We're gonna trend inside this bar, but we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us tomorrow. But let's go over some of the things that that it's on watch for tomorrow. Okay, and Tesla, something we've been talking about as well. Look at Tesla, Doji candle yesterday, and we broke above it. Okay, so easy. We always talk about this. Doji, you play the break to the upside, to the bottom side. We kind of knew that momentum was gonna break to the upside, because again, when Doji bar closes with green volume, it's more likely shifting, because Doji bars, guys, on Houston Heikin is a change of trend, and so sometimes the trend, this is just gonna continue going down, even though you get this Doji bar if you have red volume. But when this closes with a red volume, more likely you're gonna go up, but you still want to break the top of the Doji, yesterday's high, and that's exactly what happened today. And so Tesla played out great today. If you would have seen the video, you could see, let's go to the 1 hour here. You can see our targets. So if we go to the 1 hour, you see our target hit, and this, of course, let's move it this way. Same target, this is the line that we're looking at, and we hit right there, target 1. And do we have another one? Yeah. So let's move this line, target 2. So that green line, the line not gonna change, it's just target. And then we have a target there at 1171. I think somewhere around there. And so those are our targets to hit on Tesla. We did break above this pivot point, and everything looks great. Okay. Microsoft was a big watch yesterday. Unfortunately, Microsoft gave everything back. Okay. But it hit our target. So it hit our first target here, this line, and we almost hit the second target. Didn't quite get there, and we didn't get our third target. But if you go to the daily, this is looking good. Again, if we had Microsoft, we had a lot going for us yesterday when we saw it, and I told you I'm gonna put it on my watch list. Why? Because look at this amazing trend, guys. Look at this amazing trend. See, bounce, 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 bounce. So we bounce here, and I did buy shares here for a swing. And then I day trade options. But you see this Doji candle, we bounced, and this is what I tell you guys all the time. Either you you start buying the dips here, hoping that it's gonna, that it's gonna bounce. It's a little bit more risky, but also you get the bottom, and if it breaks, if a candle breaks below here, starts forming here, then you get out. You can also go to the 4 hour and see, or even the 2 hour, the 1 hour, and the candle start closing below the straight line, and you get out with a small loss. But the thing about getting in here is you have great entries. Another way, and I always talk about this in the chat, that's why you need to subscribe, is you wait for the Doji candle to form. Okay, that means change of trend. Okay, you see here Doji. Okay, change of trend, we play the break, and then we get this nice run to the upside on the daily. So that's what we do. Here's another one. Here's another one. This one looked bearish, but again, the market broke to the upside. That's why you always it's always better to break, to wait for the break, either up or to the bottom. You see, this one I would have been bearish. Well, we had a momentum to the upside with red volume, so that one kind of undecisive which way to go. So you kind of have to align everything together and decide. But if you wait for the break, it's very safe. If you break to the upside, you're going long. And so if you go to the 1 hour here, I think we already did. Yeah, we hit first target, second target, almost hit it. Let me go to the 10-minute. Maybe we didn't. No, we were so close. 323, and I had the target at 320, 387. So that's Microsoft. Look great. So what am I watching tomorrow? This is something that you need to watch tomorrow. If you go to the daily, ALB, okay, ticker symbol ALB. Can you see it there? Yeah. And so ALB broke this downtrend with a squeeze forming here. Yeah, the only thing we did have red, a little bit of red volume there. So the close, We closed on a red volume bar, but still you need to keep this one on watch for the rest of the week. We go to the 1 hour. We hit that trend. You can see in the 1 hour we broke that trend and we went to hit this resistance here. So AOB will be in a watch list. And then let's see what else we have. PFE Pfizer. This 1 hour right here looking great. If we break above this 0.57, we get 58, 59. See what the daily looks like. Daily looking nice. We have a kind of undecided candle here. Green volume. Momentum is to the downside. So keep an eye on this one and see which way it goes. DWAG also been mentioning this one for the past few days. If you're subscribed, you would have known that we've been looking at this one. Finally broke this resistance on daily. And I tell you, keep an eye on this one because this one can go bonkers. And you know, if you saw a few days ago, I called it out, and if you're in, congratulations. But here we are, we're riding the trend. So, you know, if it comes this way right here, this will be a great entry, you know, to keep the momentum going up. This thing has room to 100 plus, so keep an eye on it. XPV, great bounce today. Keep an eye on it. Daily, we have this downtrend. We break, we have room to run XPV to this 56.45. So if we break above this trend, that's where our first target is going to be. Let's look at other inside bars. Lemonade, I'm not too interested in this one. T-Dog, not too interested. Piton, I'm looking at all the inside bars that we got today. So that's pretty much it. And then we have Doji candles on daily. And JPM, we've been talking about this one too. If you are subscribed, you would know JPM is on our watch list. So yesterday, Doji candle, we did break to the upside a little bit. There's the market fail. It fell. But watch this, guys. And I'm going to put an alert here. We break above here. We break above this level. Now we have room to run to 172. So that would be our target. And I'm going to put it a little bit further out. So that trend line right there. Momentum to the upside. Close rate today, but we do have flat bottom. So tomorrow it breaks. That's a target. Well, actually, let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, it's going to be tough resistance there. We might just hit this 169.17. Come back. Yeah, we have this upper wicks here. It didn't hit this upper trend line. So it's going to be tough right here on JPM. If we can break above that, then we have room to 172. And then a daily target if you're swinging. Okay, mRNA. See what this mRNA. Yeah, kind of this wedge broke down. This thing breaks down to the bottom. This would be a great buys for mRNA around this level. So put it on alert there. You can keep an eye on it. FedEx. FedEx, we were in since this area. We have been calling it out. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel. Disney, also Doji candle. Disney kind of like just barcoding here. Yeah, so with this type of thing, you want to have shares. You don't want to have options because they're just the decaying theta is just killing you. We have Walmart. I'm doing the same thing. Chop fest. Netflix continues to go down. These are targets that I would like to pick some up for long term on Netflix. This is not an investment advice. It's just my view. BBY having a lot of resistance in that area. Not interested. Target kind of doing a sort of wedge pattern here, but I'll let it kind of form out a little bit more. eBay not interested. Roku, T-Dog. All right, so that's pretty much it. Baba is looking good. Baba's looking great. We've been talking about Baba since we got this alert here, and it's just been uptrending really nice. If we go to the daily, you know, just every day, just making higher highs and lower highs. So been doing good. If we go to that would be our target right here, trend line, or even this one. So I will go with this one first, take some off about 144.81. But still a few points up there, so keep that on watch. And then Tesla, we finally broke out. We talked about this yesterday. Okay, we hit our target. Oh, I think I talked about that in the beginning. MSTR in the daily, I mean on the 1 hour, looking great here. If we can break above this pivot point, we have some room to run on MSTR. So keep that on watch. I'm gonna put it on my watch list. The 1 hour looking great. Let me see what yeah, so we are hitting some resistance there, but we break, we have room. We did break above the doji. We talked about that yesterday. We break above, play momentum to the upside, and that was our first target right at the open. Yeah, so doji bar with green volume, you already know, to the upside. And we're hitting resistance. If we break that, 565 would be, if you're swinging, if you're day trading, 544 would be a good area. So to take some off right there. And then we have 552 and then 576. Rivian, another one that moved today. Oh, building this nice, put that on my watch list. Look at this 1 hour, same thing like we had with Tesla. Break of 88. We're looking for 92 points. If we go to the daily and you want to swing this, we have 92 and 98. So keep an eye on that. I mean, we get momentum to the upside. This thing can go all the way up here to about 100. Keep that one on watch. Let's see. Not too interested in that one. Lulu, you know, just on a downtrend. Coin, we talked about coin. Yeah, I didn't quite get there. I did start adding shares of coin here. You can see it bounced already. So I am in coin long term. I'm looking, you know, to take some off here. However long it takes, a couple of weeks, a month, 2 months, 3 months. And then maybe write the rest, you know, to the next high. Hopefully all-time highs. So, and then repeat the process. How's coin looking on the hourly? Okay, broke that trend. Look at this. The IDU. On W, we can get above this trend here. We can hit 548 spot. That's it. No. MU. Google. HD. Microsoft. Oh, we already covered that. ABMB. NVDA. NVDA, we hit target there. We talked about break of this pivot. We're gonna hit 285, and we hit our first target. Let's move target over here. We hit it, and then let's put our second target over here, and then this trend line. So we have room to run to 291, 292. So keep it on watch. NVDA. Let's go to 10-minute here on NVDA. So this was right at the open. It was choppy, then we bounce up and we hit target. Nice. Okay, and face. mRNA. Roblox. AMD. Apple. And Amazon. Okay, Amazon looks like it wants to break below this flag right here. So tomorrow, let's look at how the daily close. Yeah, so we're talking about buying some here and hit target. And then now it's shifting to the upside. But you see how support works? We hit once, 2, and 3 times. Buying it. All right, guys, that's it. All right, hope you are enjoying these videos to watch tomorrow. So keep on watch tomorrow. Top watches are gonna be Tesla, Rivian, RIVN, MSTR, AOB, like always, the SPY and the VIX. So if you are liking these videos, please hit the thumbs up. That notifies me that you are watching them and you're enjoying them and you want me to continue. So give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, share it with your friends and family, and let's go and have a great day tomorrow. So I'll see you guys. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys mañana. Adios.